Hi, my friends, connecting with you after long time. I'm going to surprise you today. I'm happy to announce that I have launched my new ebook in the name of Journey of Life. Nowadays, reading through paper book is tough due to time constraint. The technological revolution has brought ebook. So I started my first ebook, Journey of Life. Make your life incredible. Everyone on the earth must go through journey of life. The journey is sometimes easy and many a times tough. The journey teaches us how to serve with life experience. Inside the ebook, the book will motivate, energize, boost leaders' life. This book helps one to be optimistic and positive in life. In this book, various real life topics are covered: purpose of life, Q, limitless life, dedication, trigger, happiness, health, winning and losing, life in a hospital, corona pandemic lessons, first chapter purpose of life, which I will just brief you so that you can know what exactly is written in this book. What is life, why we live our life, till when we will live our life, what is the aim of our life, what is the purpose of our life. Life is the feeling of love for all your near and dear who are with you. Life is when you feel something which is extraordinary, keeps you moving with excitement, love, sorrow, happiness, eagerness. So, question, and for that question, answer has been given in this particular chapter, which are basically realistic. In this world, every human being is molded with some or other knowledge and values through which he or she takes decision, which are solution for day-to-day event. Around 30% of people truly are ambitious, have gone through life ups and downs, and have clear vision that they can accomplish anything. This is the experience of happenings they have observed or tackled during the life experience. These people are known to every situation in life. The other chapter, limitless of life, which I would like to discuss with you. In this world, everything has a limit, whether it's living or non-living thing. In other words, there is a expiry date for material or immaterial thing. The graph of every human starts from young age, that is from 1 year, and depends on how long it can take to go further without health issues. Limitless life is basically life with no limit. Limit means end. Every human has a tendency to reach limitlessly, but in fear, frustration, irritation, or hesitation, he or she drops any important task somehow in between and lose. How to attain this limitless life is the major task, which is mentioned in this particular chapter. For that, you have to read this particular chapter and even the books with other different topics, which will excite you. Why to get this particular ebook? To know more about the book and the interesting fact discussed with real life experience, you should get this particular book. This ebook will motivate and cultivate positive thoughts in mind. The essence of life is the journey, which sometimes is rough or hard or sometimes smooth. Please read the ebook. Buy the ebook through below link. Thank you, friends. Thank you.